Question number 1. How do you assess fetal well-being in high-risk pregnancy? The correct option is C. Non-stress test. Question number 2. When should iron and folic acid supplementation started in pregnancy? The correct option is D. After first trimester. Question number 3. What is the most common complication of prolonged labor? The correct option is A. Postpartum hemorrhage. Question number 4. Which maneuver is used to deliver shoulder and shoulder dystocia? The correct option is C. McRobert maneuver. Question number 5. Where is Lufald maneuver performed? The correct option is B. Abdomen. Question number 6. Why is the episiotomy given during childbirth? The correct option is C. Prevent perineal tear. Question number 7. What is the most effective contraceptive method? The correct option is D. Female sterilization. Question number 8. Where is the oxytocin stored in the human body? The correct option is B. Posterior pituitary. Question number 9. How is gestational diabetes screened in pregnancy? The correct option is A. GCT test. Question number 10. Where is the uterus located during 12th week of pregnancy? The correct option is D. Just above pubis symphysis. Question number 11. What is the most common cause of maternal mortality in India? The correct option is C. Hemorrhage. Question number 12. How many vessels are present in the umbilical cord? The correct option is B. 2 arteries and 1 vein. Question number 13. When should anti-D-aminoglobulin be given to Rh negative mother? The correct option is D. At 28 weeks in and within 72 hours of delivery. Question number 14. Which method is most effective for emergency contraception? The correct option is A. Copper T. Question number 15. How long does a ovum remain viable for fertilization? The correct option is B. 12 to 24 hours. Question number 16. Who should be monitored for gestational diabetes closely? The correct option is D. All of the above. Question number 17. Which type of phallus is unfavorable for vaginal delivery? The correct option is A. Android. Question number 18. What is the ideal time to give tetanus toxoid during pregnancy? The correct option is C. Between 16 and 24 weeks. Question number 19. Which antenatal visit is crucial for anomaly scan? The correct option is D. 20th weeks. Question number 20. Where is the fetal heartbeat best heard during cephalic presentation. The correct option is B. Left lower quadrant. Question number 21. The most common site of fibroid in the uterus is. The correct option is C. Intramural. Question number 22. How does oral contraceptive pill prevent pregnancy? The correct option is D. Inhibit ovulation. Question number 23. HPV virus most commonly associated with cervical cancer is. The correct option is B. HPV 16 and 18. Question number 24. Who should avoid combined oral contraceptive pills? The correct option is D. Smoker above 35 years. Question number 25. What is the most common cause of primary anuria? The correct option is B. Turner syndrome. Question number 26. How does lactational anuria work as a contraceptive? The correct option is A. Inhibit ovulation. Question number 27. Bartholin glands are located in which site in female? The correct option is D. On either side of vaginal opening. Question number 28. What is the most common benign tumor of the uterus? The correct option is B. Fibroid. Question number 29. What is the first step in management of cervical erosion? The correct option is B. Pap smear. Question number 30. Which hormone causes proliferation of endometrial lining? The correct option is A. Estrogen. Question number 31. Which uterine anomaly has the highest risk of miscarriage? The correct option is D. Septate uterus. Question number 32. Which condition is commonly associated with chocolate cyst? The correct option is B. Polycystic ovaries. C. Endometriosis. Question number 33. What is the most common complication of intrauterine device insertion? The correct option is B. Infection. Question number 34. How is the diagnosis of pelvic inflammatory disease compound? The correct option is D. Laparoscopy. Question number 35. What does a string of furrows appears on ultrasound suggest? The correct option is A. Polycystic ovary syndrome. Question number 36. The uterus returned to its normal size postpartum by? The correct option is D. 6 weeks. Question number 37. Which part of the fallopian tube is the most common site of fertilization? The correct option is C. Ampulla. Question number 38. Painless vaginal bleeding in the third trimester is seen in? The correct option is A. Placenta previa. Question number 39. What is the shape of a nulliparous cervix? The correct option is A. Circular. Question number 40. Duration of the first stage of labor in a Fermi-Grivideva is approximately. The correct option is D, 12 to 16 hours. Question number 41. The most common presentation of the fetus is. The correct option is C, cervix. Question number 42. Episiotomy is usually given in which direction? The correct option is B, mediolateral. Question number 43. Which instrument is used for manual removal of placenta? The correct option is A, ovum forceps. Question number 44. The ideal timing for clamping the umbilical cord in normal delivery is. The correct option is C, after 1 to 3 minutes. Question number 45. Which drug is contraindicated in eclampsia? The correct option is D, oxytocin. Question number 46. The most common indication of cesarean section is. The correct option is B, fetal distress. Question number 47. Which stage of labor is shortest in multiparous women? The correct option is B, second stage. Question number 48. The best position for uterine massage post delivery is. The correct option is A, spine. Question number 49. Which position is recommended during the second stage of labor? The correct option is C, lithotomy. Question number 50. The part of the fetus that occupies the lower uterus is known as. The correct option is D, presentation. Question number 51. Which instrument is used to check cervical dilation during labor? The correct option is C, gloved fingers.